Hello and welcome to this video on how to earn money with affiliate marketing on YouTube. In this video, we will discuss what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and how you can use it to make money on YouTube. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a form of marketing in which a business rewards an affiliate for each customer brought to the business through the affiliate's own marketing efforts. In other words, you promote a product or service on behalf of the company and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. How does affiliate marketing work on YouTube? As a YouTuber, you can use affiliate marketing to earn money by promoting products or services related to your niche or content. You can do this by including links to the products or services in your video description or in the video itself. If your viewer click on the link and make a purchase, you earn a commission on that sale. Steps to get started with affiliate marketing on YouTube. Step 1. Choose a niche or content category that you're passionate about and that has a relevant market of products or services. Step 2. Join an affiliate program that offers products or services relevant to your niche. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Shareasal. Step 3. Create content that promotes the product or service in an authentic and informative way. Make sure to disclose your affiliate relationship with the product or service in compliance with FTC regulations. Step 4. Include your unique affiliate link in your video description or in the video itself. You can use tools like Bitly or Pretty Links to shorten and track your affiliate links. Step 5. Promote your content on social media, through email marketing, or through paid advertising to reach a wider audience and increase your chances of earning commissions. Tips for successful affiliate marketing on YouTube. Choose products or services that you believe in and that your audience will find valuable. Be transparent about your affiliate relationship with the product or service. Create high-quality content that provides value and promotes the product or service in an authentic way. Use eye-catching visuals and engaging storytelling to capture your audience's attention. Test different strategies and products to see what works best for your audience and niche. Like or share.